Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix Fortnite error code LS-0016. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss an important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So the error code LS0016 is also known as the Fortnite launch failed in the Windows 10 or 11. So basically what you can do here first is to simply restart the game. So every game gets updates and bug fixes and improvements on a regular basis. And the game happens, or the same happens rather, with the Epic game Fortnite. So by default, the game launcher is set to install the update automatically without notifying you. So as a result, you don't know, and the updating process runs in the background. So as a result, when you launch Fortnite in the middle of this process, the LS0016 error appears. So first things first, just wait for some minutes to allow the update to complete, and after that you can now restart the game. So to do that, just simply press Ctrl Shift Escape on your keyboard, and then the task manager will appear. So just find the Epic Game Launcher in the name column right here of the process. Right click onto this and then simply select and task. So after that, just go to the desktop, double click onto the Epic Game Launcher to open it. So it shouldn't trigger the error again. And then the next thing that you can do is to verify the update. So this method will make sure that the update for Fortnite is installed correctly. So follow the steps right here. So first, just open the Epic Games Launcher and select Library, and then just next select onto the three dots hamburger menu located beside the game and simply click Verify or select Verify. So the verification of the Fortnite game will start, and it will take some time depending on the speed of the network. And then after doing all of those steps and the problem still persists, what you can do lastly is to contact the support of the Epic Games. So in case the Fortnite LS0016 error code still persists, just check the server status and contact the technical and customer service of the Epic Games. And furthermore, you can knock the support team on Twitter. So I'm just going to link the server status and the technical support and customer support service of the Epic Games in the description down below, so you can just check that in there. So that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you don't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.